Hello friends, in session 3, you have learned a method by which you can multiply two linear polynomials within no time. In this session, you will learn a method by which a quadratic polynomial can be factorized within no time. Let polynomial is x square minus 5x plus 6. Most of the students are factorizing this by the method that they will first write it as x square minus 2x minus 3x plus 6. Then they will take x common in these two terms. Then it will be x minus 2 minus 3 x minus 2. Therefore, factors of this is x minus 2 x minus 3. Now, you learn how you can factorize this within no time. Actually, quadratic polynomial can be of two types. First type is x square minus ax plus b, and second type will be x square plus ax minus b. In first category, it will be positive, and in second category, it will be negative. I will take these two types of quadratic polynomial step by step. First type. Suppose it is x square plus 5x plus 6. In this type, this is positive. Therefore, we will break 6 into two terms such that their product is 6 and sum is 5. It is 2 and 3. Since 2 into 3 is equal to 6, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. This constant is positive. Therefore, factors of this is x plus 2, x minus 3, x plus 3. So take the second example. Suppose it is x square minus 5x plus 6. In this again, since it is positive, therefore we will break 6 into two terms such that their product is 6 and sum is 5. It is again 2 and 3, since 2 into 3 is equal to 6. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. But here this const is negative. Therefore, the factors of this will be x minus 2, x minus 3. I am taking the another examples. Example 3. Suppose it is x square plus 7x plus 12. Again, this term is positive. Therefore, we will break 12 into two times, such that their product is 12 and sum is 7. It is 3 and 4. Since 3 into 4 is equal to 12, 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. This constant is positive. Therefore, factors of this is x plus 3 and x plus 4. Take the fourth example. Suppose it is x square plus 5x plus 4. Again, it is positive. Therefore, we will break 4 into two terms such that their product is 4 and sum is 5. It is 1 and 4. Since 1 into 4 is equal to 4, 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. Therefore, their factors is x plus 4 and x plus 1. Take other example. Suppose it is x square minus 8x plus 15. Again, this constant is positive. Therefore, we will break 15 into two terms such that their product is 15 and sum is 8. It is 3 and 5. Since 3 into 5 is equal to 15, 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. This is negative. Therefore, factors of this will be x minus 3, x minus 5. So you might have learned the factorization of quadratic polynomial where this x square plus ax plus b type where it is positive. Now I am giving the second type of quadratic polynomial. Suppose it is x square minus 2x minus 8. Here this term is negative. Therefore, you break 8 into two terms such that their product is 8 and difference is 2. It is 2 and 4. Since 2 into 4 is equal to 8, 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. This term is negative. Therefore, you assign this negative to this 4 and opposite of this to 2. Therefore, factors of this is x minus 4, x plus 2. Take the second example. Suppose it is x square plus x minus 6. Here again this term is negative. Therefore, we will break 6 into two terms such that their difference is 1 and product is 6. It is 2 and 3 since 2 into 3 is equal to 6. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. This term is positive. Therefore, we will assign this term to this 3 and factors of this is x plus 3, x minus 2. Again, take another example. Suppose it is x square plus 4x minus 12. Again, since this term is negative, therefore we will break 12 into two terms such that their product is 12 and difference is 4. It is 2 and 6. Since 2 into 6 is equal to 12, 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. This is positive. Therefore, we will assign this to 6. It will be x plus 6 and x minus 2. Now we are taking the mixed example. Then it will be very convenient to understand. Suppose first example is, suppose it is x square minus 7x minus 8. Here it is negative. Therefore, we will multiply such terms that their product is 8 and difference is 7. It is 1 into 8 is equal to 8. 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. Therefore, factors of this is x minus 8, x plus 1. Take second example. Suppose it is x square minus 3x minus 18. Since it is negative, therefore we will break 18 into two terms such that their product is 18 and difference is 3. It is 6 and 3. 6 into 3 is equal to 18. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. This is negative. Therefore, we will assign this to this 6 and their factors is x minus 6, x plus 3. Take third example. It is x square minus 7x plus 18. Since it is positive and 2 into 9, sorry, this example cannot be taken here. Take the third example is x square minus 7x minus 18. Since this term is negative, therefore here 2 into 9 is equal to 18. 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. Therefore, factors of this is x minus 9, x plus 2. Take other example. Let it is x square plus 6x plus 8. Here 2 into 4 is equal to 8. Since it is positive and therefore 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Therefore its factor is x plus 4, x plus 2. Take x square minus 6x plus 5. Here it is term is positive, therefore, and 5 into 1 is equal to 5. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Therefore, this factor is x minus 5, x minus 1. Let x square minus 3x minus 28. Since this term is negative and 7 into 4 is equal to 28, 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. Therefore, factors of this is x, and this term is negative. Factor of this is x minus 7, x plus 3, x plus 4. You might have learned how you can factorize a quadratic polynomial in a very short time. If you have liked this video, I request you to subscribe my channel in YouTube and follow me at Arbat Math Tutorial in Instagram. Thank you.